If PowerPoint is showing an error when you try to save a file, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the quickest solution using Save As, then we'll check file permissions, and finally, we'll disable add-ins in case one of them is causing the conflict. By the end, you should be able to save your PowerPoint file normally again without the error interrupting your work. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and software tips. Let's start with the first fix, which is using Save As. This is the easiest and fastest thing to try because sometimes the issue is not PowerPoint itself, but the file name or the save location. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the File menu. From there, click Save As. Instead of saving to the original location, choose Desktop as the new location. This helps avoid folder permission issues, network problems, or path errors that can happen in a different folder. Now enter a new file name for the presentation. Keep it simple and avoid special characters if possible. Then click Save. In many cases, this alone fixes the error because PowerPoint is now saving the file in a clean location with a fresh name. If the file saves successfully, great, you've solved it. If not, move on to the next step. The second fix is to check file permissions. If the file or folder you're saving to does not give your user account full access, PowerPoint may block the save process. To check this, open File Explorer and find the file you're trying to save or the folder it's in. Right-click the file and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Here you'll see a list of user accounts and permission levels. Select your user account from the list. If needed, click Edit to change permissions. Then enable full control so your account has complete access to the file. After that, click Apply and then OK to confirm the changes. Once the permissions are updated, go back to PowerPoint and try saving the file again. If the issue was caused by restricted access, this should fix it right away. If you're still getting the error, the third fix is to disable add-ins. Sometimes a PowerPoint add-in can interfere with normal saving and cause unexpected errors. To do this, open PowerPoint and click File, then Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Add-ins from the left panel. At the bottom of the window, find the drop-down menu and choose COM add-ins. Then click Gear. A list of installed add-ins will appear. Uncheck all of them for now to test whether one of them is causing the problem. After that, click OK and restart PowerPoint completely. Once PowerPoint opens again, try saving the file one more time. If the save works now, the issue was likely caused by one of the add-ins. You can re-enable them one by one later to find out which one was responsible. So just to recap, if PowerPoint gives you an error while saving a file, first try Save As with a new name on the desktop. Then check file permissions and make sure your account has full control. And finally disable COM add-ins if the problem still continues. These 3 methods solve most PowerPoint save errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more PowerPoint fixes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.